When it comes to eating, dinner holds a special place in our hearts. It is the time when we get together with our loved ones, share delicious food, and relax after a long day. But dinner is more than just food. It's a cultural experience, a culinary adventure, and a time of connection. In this video, we'll highlight 20 interesting facts about dinner that will not only satisfy your curiosity, but also deepen your appreciation for this daily ritual. From the dinner's origins to its cultural significance around the world, we'll discover a variety of interesting facts that reveal the rich history and diverse traditions associated with this evening meal. So, grab a seat at the table and join us as we dive into these delicious dinner facts that are sure to whet your appetite for knowledge. Number 1. Dinner is the evening meal usually eaten between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Dinner is the last meal of the day and is often enjoyed with family or friends. It is a time to relax, share stories, and nourish the body before resting. Number 2. The word dinner is derived from the Old French word disner, which means to eat. The term comes from the Latin word disjejunare, which can be translated as to break one's fast. Dinner traditionally marks the end of the fasting period during the day. Number 3. Dinner is considered an important meal in many cultures around the world. In Western cultures, dinner often includes a protein source, such as meat or fish, as well as vegetables, grains, and potatoes. In some cultures, dinner can be the largest and most elaborate meal of the day. Number 4. Dinner parties have been a social gathering tradition for centuries. Hosting a dinner party allows friends and family to come together, enjoy delicious food, and engage in meaningful conversation. It is an opportunity to showcase culinary skills and hospitality. Number 5. Dinner can vary widely among different cuisines. From Italian pasta dishes to Indian curry, from Mexican tacos to Chinese stir-fries, the dinner options are diverse and reflect the rich culinary heritage of each culture. There is something for everyone's taste buds. Number 6. Sunday roast is a traditional dinner in many English-speaking countries. Roast beef or chicken, cooked vegetables, Yorkshire pudding, and gravy are the ingredients of a classic Sunday roast. It's a time-honored tradition that brings families together on Sundays. Number 7. Dinner can be a home-cooked meal or enjoyed at a restaurant. While many people prefer to cook dinner at home, eating out is a popular option for others. It provides an opportunity to try new flavors, relax, and cook for someone else. Number 8. Dinner can have cultural and religious significance. In some religions, such as Judaism and Islam, certain dietary laws dictate what can be eaten during dinner. Additionally, dinner can play a role in cultural events and festivals. Number 9. Family dinners have been linked to positive outcomes for children. Research shows that regular family dinners promote healthy eating habits, better academic performance, and stronger family bonds. It is a time for families to connect and communicate. Number 10. Dinner can be a time of reflection and relaxation. Sitting down to a well-prepared dinner allows us to slow down, savor each bite, and be present in the moment. It provides a break from the busyness of the day and an opportunity to nourish our bodies and minds. Number 11. Dinner can be an opportunity to try new foods and flavors. Exploring different foods and ingredients during dinner can expand our culinary horizons and introduce us to new and exciting tastes. This is an opportunity to step out of our comfort zones. Number 12. Traditional dishes are often enjoyed during dinner. From lasagna to sushi rolls, paella to pad thai, dinner is a time to indulge in favorite dishes and savor the flavors that bring us comfort and joy. Number 13. Dinner can be a themed affair. Hosting a themed dinner night, such as a Mexican fiesta or an Italian pasta party, can add excitement and creativity to the dining experience. It allows guests to immerse themselves in a different culture through food. Number 14. Dinner can be an opportunity to practice gratitude. Taking a moment before eating to express gratitude for the food on the table and the people with whom we share the meal can enhance the experience of eating and create a sense of appreciation. Number 15. Dinner can be enjoyed al fresco. In pleasant weather, dining outside, whether in a backyard, balcony, or picnic setting, adds a pleasant atmosphere to the meal. Fresh air and nature can enhance the dining experience. Number 16. Dinner can be an opportunity to bond with loved ones. Sharing a meal together allows for quality time and deepens the relationship. It's a chance to catch up, laugh, and create lasting memories. Number 17. Dinner can be made in advance and enjoyed as leftovers. Making large quantities of certain dishes for dinner allows for leftovers, which can be enjoyed at a later meal. It saves time and effort while providing delicious and satisfying meals. Number 18. The dinner can be a platform to support local food producers. Choosing locally sourced ingredients and products for dinner can contribute to the growth and sustainability of local farmers and artisans. It helps in connecting consumers and their food sources. Number 19. Dinner can be a place for culinary experimentation. Trying new recipes or improvising with ingredients while preparing dinner allows for creativity and innovation in the kitchen. This can lead to unexpected flavor combinations and delightful surprises. Number 20. Dinner can be a celebration of cultural diversity. With different cultural backgrounds come unique traditions and tastes. Embracing and exploring diverse cuisines over dinner is a way to appreciate and learn about the richness of our global community.